Hello guys, welcome to Youngsters YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your civil ID in Kuwait with online process. So you can use your Android mobile or Apple mobile with this renewal. So let's go. We will open our Google Chrome application or Google application also you can open. This is the very easiest option with your mobile, otherwise you need to have laptop or a computer. Let's do by this way. We will type here after opening PACI Kuwait, PACI space KUWAIT. Okay, there is one option inquiring about civil ID status. The other one, the second option, page multi civil renewal and payments. This is the option we have to select now. Okay, we got the page right now, multi civil renewal and payments. So we need to select this start e-service. This is the whole page you can see. We will press now start e-service. Now here all you have to do, enter your civil ID for your inquiry. So I'm going to enter my civil ID here, civil ID number, and you can check also, click here for payment notes. Let's check. Click here for payment notes. There is two options. You will see here you can check payment details. Okay, let's inquire now. Okay, now I got the page now. I have to pay 5KD because we are 18 visa. So for the student visa, of course, you need to pay 5KD. This is the whole details with civil ID card number and your details, and you have to pay 5KD through any service. So let's pay it now. You must have connect payment for this. This is the bank card. You must have in your bank card this logo. So let's do the payments. It's only 5KD. I'm going to do my payments for connect service. Okay, now I'm done with my payments. It's now getting processed. Okay, we have to agree that from the government terms and condition to renew your ID. So I will agree here. Once you agree, you will get the receipt for your payment. It means you are done with the renewing your civil ID. This is your successful payment. This is your payment receipt. So this is the, you need to take print or one screenshot with your mobile. So again, after 2 days or maybe 3 days maximum, you can check in the system. I took now screenshot. You can check in the system which machine number you can receive and which place your civil ID card number when you are inquiring details again. Subscribe my account for more technical videos in Kuwait. Have a good day.